Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace this low beam. This is a BMW 328i. So guys, what you're going to replace is this right here. So guys, we come to the where the tire is, and then the skid plate right there guys. We use Phillips to open these two screwdrivers, these screws, sorry. Once these screws come out guys, I'll show you what's behind in there. One thing to note guys with this type of system is you don't need to remove a tire or anything. You just need maybe to just turn your tire maybe to face one direction to give you just access this point. Then once that is done guys, you just remove this small cover. I think this is a good design by BMW to help like replacing stuff like this, not to remove the whole cover guys from the tire right there. So guys, our low beam is the other one right there where this thing is covering up. There's this hose right here guys, so you have to just push it on the side and then to give you access, and then you turn guys that cover for the headlight, you turn it anti-clockwise. That should be able guys to remove it, to give you like to take it out, and then you just slightly pull it out like that. And then guys, from here guys, if you use a light, you can see like inside here, this is our low beam light. So what we do guys, we turn it anti-clockwise guys. There's those hooks on the side, there's the one on the left and there's one on the right. So if you turn it anti-clockwise, this thing should come free, and then guys you can pull it out, then disconnect the light, and then guys replace a new one. So let me just do it guys. You can't see it because there's small space. You can so once you do this like this guys, this light comes out like this. And then guys, you can lose this is an H7 bulb, so you can look for another H7 bulb, good one, then you can replace with this one. And then once that is done guys, you can put it back, and then you can do the process in reverse. All right, subscribe, see you next time.